first, there is need for reforms in the area of the length of time that these can take. And then there are other things, for instance, like was suggested, where they were saying that if you have a church and you are gazetted and licensed, for instance, to administer marriages, you must display it boldly in the premises. Some of these are measures that we can take to make sure that by way of legislative reform, people get easy information as to whether or not a pastor or a church is gazetted to administer marriages, and in so doing also to prevent themselves from, contracting marriages that are already void. We're quite far, and we are working assiduously on this to make sure we get the fully compiled data and to publish it generally. We're working with Marriage Rights on this, and we intend to very soon publish the full data. But it is even worse, for instance, in the Islamic marriages, and they still have to be gazetted. So there is quite a long way to go on that side. And we need to work very quickly to bridge that gap and to make sure that we make marriages safe for people who contract it. It is heartbreaking when, after 20 years of marriage, you find out that there was one misstep, and it is the reason why your marriage may not be as valid as you thought it was.
Issues about the CAP 129, that's registering Islamic marriages. It's a very pain to us, as in those in the MMDAs. Why do I say that? Now, the law has given us the power, the authority to register Islamic marriages. Let's say a couple, a young couple, they've done their awre. After doing the awre, then they come to you, the district registrar. Now, Chief, what we have done, we want to register our Islamic marriage certificate. Bear in mind, they are not asking for ordinance or customary, because one of the forms of marriages is Islamic marriage. That's the CAP 129. Now, me being the registrar, the processes, the things in place to register Islamic marriage, it's not there. We don't register at the moment Islamic marriages in our district assemblies. But the person can, like the example I cited, the young couple, they came to my office. Now I'm forced to tell them that, okay, these options are there. That's the customary marriage or the ordinance marriage. The person who says that, per the rules, per the Act 127 or the 129, you have the power to register my marriage through the Islamic process. Now, this is me, the registrar. I don't know. So I'm using your medium to call upon the Attorney General's Department, the Ministry of Interior, and all relevant agencies that they should put in place the measures for us, the MMDs, to register the Islamic marriage. It's very hectic, though the job is a responsibility. Now, like I cited the example back in the hall. Somebody could marry in Ablikwan North Municipal Assembly. That's Mr. Akani has gone to marry Mrs. Akani in Ablikwan North Municipal Assembly. I don't need to change my name. I don't need to change my identity. I run all the way to Gan West Municipal Assembly. I could register another marriage with another person. Now I go all the way to probably Gan North Municipal Assembly. I could register as many marriages as I want. I could go all the way to KMA. I could register another marriage. All because we don't have a centralized database. We don't have a system that if I'm registering my marriage or I'm about to register my marriage, if I input my name, would it come out that I'm married to A, B, or C? Examples are somewhere 2015, I had a lot of requests from the UK High Commission that these marriages, confirm, are they true or not? People are doing fake marriages. What are the requirements for you to do a marriage? All you have to do is come and register. After 21 days, I give you your license. Then you come and sign either at the district level, the church, or the Registrar General's Department. At the end of it all, we give you a marriage certificate. What does the marriage certificate look like? It's a document. It's green and white. When you go to Adabraka, they print it. When you go to Second, they print it. So somebody can just sit down, write the content of the marriage certificate, and give it to you as the innocent person that is the marriage certificate. Now, the person might be using that certificate to apply most of his marriages.
And the laid down structures, which in today's world needs to take into account ease, digital footprints, and easy information access through efficiently formulated legal structures. Digital inclusion goes beyond ease of access to internally and internationally reliable, standardized, and easily verifiable marriage data, a project the department is assiduously working on with development partners and internal staff. Cultural harmony is a pressing theme in our research agenda, especially in harmonizing the requirements and rights of all kinds of marriages in Ghana. As far as practicable, while recognizing the cultural significance of each type of marriage. Distinguished guests and participants, I believe that our presence in this room signifies our commitment to ensuring an efficient marriage administration and regularization system for the Ghanaian public. We particularly look forward to sharing ideas and benefiting from the invaluable panel discussions, especially that of the fake marriage documents, and how to foolproof these in delivering on our mandate to our cherished clients and the public. Without taking any more of your time, we would like to thank everyone here for making the time to collaborate and provide your unique perspectives on marriage matters in Ghana. We assure you that we would come knocking when the time is right to engage with you in drafting and providing a modern and culturally balanced Marriages Act that is workable and acceptable to us all. I thank you once again for your attention and wish us all fruitful deliberations.